Welcome back to another episode of the Idoctor UK podcast. Another episode of the Idoctor UK podcast where I don't know what I'm going to talk about, so we're just freestyling because all I feel like I'm doing at the moment is recording podcasts. We've been doing 2 a week now for the last 2 weeks. I am recording a very good one tomorrow, and we've got a good venue. So you're not going to see the sofa. It's just because it's an interview and it's a bit awkward to do it in here when people are in and out, and I guarantee as soon as I start doing this, that's when people start coming in and out. In other news, how is the festive period Q4 treating you? We've actually been a bit quieter than we normally are, which has been unusual. But we've still got a week and a bit to go until Christmas. I think, yeah, I'd say we've been quieter, but I think I've just been more absent. I think that's probably what it comes down to. I was away the weekend for my wedding anniversary, and we've got hosting tomorrow, hosting Thursday for a very exciting project that I'm still not allowed to talk to you about. And yeah, it's just everything all at once. And then like weekends, we've got loads of plans, loads of drinking, Christmas do, all that sort of stuff. I did have a little play around with the Siri. Let's talk about Siri because I did play around with it last night. I updated to 18.2 as I discussed in the previous episode, and yeah, it still doesn't do a lot, does it? It works with the native apps and it'll set reminders and add things to calendar. But I asked it to add the last song that I Shazammed into a new Spotify playlist. Not a prayer, mate. Not a prayer. I just want it to, like, I always think about the things what I need to do at the worst time. So, like, usually it's when I'm driving, and I'm fairly strict on I just don't use my phone when I'm driving. We've got CarPlay in the car. I can change the music, and if I want to call people, I can call people. I do a lot of calling people when I'm driving because there's nothing else to do. What I want out of Siri is for it to be a genuine, like, assistant to really help me do things. So if anybody's got any tips on how to make it better, because I like using the ChatGPT voice assistant. Apparently, well, I've linked Siri and ChatGPT together, although it's still not seamless. I had to play around with the emoji thing, and that didn't work very well either because it's still downloading, so I couldn't make new emojis. And I also played around with the AI image generator, and that didn't work either. Although, when I first started using the image generator on ChatGPT, I think I might have used it 4 or 5 times for genuine stuff. Whereas, like, I just don't find it very good. I've never really got into Midjourney. My graphic design career has just about come to an end because I'm just too busy to do it. Still do a bit of drawing and stuff, but generally I'm focused on too many other things to worry about. Drawing logos for people, which, yeah, I've done a bit of. Anyway, we've talked about Siri. I'll thank everybody who has made it a good year because actually we got another episode of that, me being thankful for things. eBay is still good. I think I talked about this as well last week. So not much has changed. I talked about eBay because I was saying that every time I sell a phone on there, they don't bloody pay for it. I sold an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and then all of a sudden, last bids, somebody with zero feedback, just a bot account, just comes and throws a ridiculous bid in. So you think, oh yeah, I just sold a broken 14 Pro Max for 400 quid. And then all of a sudden, no, didn't want to pay. So, yeah, that's that. I've got lots of appointments today where I need to be. I've failed to go to my tattoo appointment because I forgot all about it today. Yeah, now. Yeah, right now. Because I'm running out of things to say, I'm going to play the Uno reverse card and ask you guys, what do you want from me? What do you want? I'm quite happy to continue recording a weekly podcast, doing the occasional guest on the podcast, and then posting 2 repair tutorial videos every week, week in, week out. I know for sure that I want to make more shorts, and I am going to do that. That is my promise to you. So as we come into the end of the year and moving into the new year, obviously new year, new eye doctor and all that, I need to know what kind of content do you want? Do you want entertainment? Do you want information? Tell me what you want, and that's what you will receive for a week, and then I'll find something else to think and talk about. But yeah, sorry it's been a short and sweet episode. Like I say, I've got things to do. I keep forgetting to put my watch on. Have a great day, have a great week, and I will see you in the next video.